Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Amanda Rianti and I'm from class 12A, Magister Manajemen Logistik, University of Logistik and Business International ULBI, with lecture name Dr. Insinyur Agus Purnomo MT. And in this video, we're going to talk about a journal that was an inventory model to study the effect of the probabilistic rate of carbon emission on the profit earned by a supplier. So let's start from the abstract. The inventory of supplier providing raw materials to industry producing green products faces two challenging problems. The first one is that raw materials are usually deteriorating items, and the second one is that they emit carbon-based gases during deterioration. Moreover, each item has its unique carbon emission rate and composition, called the pattern of carbon emission, which is a function of the rate of carbon emission. In this present research, writer attempt to develop a stochastic inventory model with price, stock, and pattern of carbon emission dependent demand to maximize the profit of a supplier selling a single product. Analysis of the effect of carbon emission on the profit earned is made and results are interpreted. Practical swarm optimization or PSO and genetic algorithm or GA are applied to solve the model, while statistical analysis and sensitivity analysis of the parameters of the algorithm are provided along with the graphical representation of convergence. And for the introduction, the demand of green products is increasing, and sustainable alternatives are becoming more popular. However, these products often require environmental exploitation, making it challenging for decision makers to develop items with minimal negative environmental impact. This issue is addressed by inventory practitioners and model developers, but the economic aspect of selling natural resources as raw materials is also crucial. The rate of deterioration and carbon-based gas emission are major problems from both economical and ecological perspective. Reducing the selling period can help control this issue, but it is not ideal for raw materials like vegetable scrap and straw, and studies have been conducted to reduce carbon emission and promote sustainable development. Modern preservation technologies can help reduce deterioration and carbon emission. Research is ongoing on carbon policies and their impact on different products and localities. And for the methodology, in this journal is using practical swarm optimization or PSO and genetic algorithm or GA are applied to solve the model with statistical analysis and sensitivity analysis of the parameters provided, along with graphical representation of convergence. It also includes the optimal solution under the beta distribution with GA and statistical analysis of the optimal solutions and sensitivity analysis of the parameter to test the change in profit earned under different pattern. This journal also use literature review, also being used as per table, as you can see on the right table. And for the result, based on the rate of carbon emission, is assumed to be probabilistic, and writer analyzed three negative exponential pattern of emission. It has been observed that the profit is maximum when the carbon emission follow pattern 1. For pattern 1 and pattern 2, if the rate of emission follows beta distribution, the profit increase where the profit decrease when it follow uniform and triangular distribution. For pattern 3, the situation is exactly the opposite. Furthermore, the carbon emission rate has an impact on the profit earned. From table 22 until table 25, it can be observed that profit reduced with the increase in the rate of carbon emission for pattern 1 and 2, but for pattern 3, the situation is the opposite. And for the discussion, we analyze the effect on the profit. So the change in profit is observed when a vary the rate of carbon emission, as you can see on the figure 3. A straight descent in the profit is noticed from pattern 1 until 3 when the rate of carbon emission is 0.4, and moreover the profit earned in between 200,000 $1,000 and $300,000 for all value of Y when the amount of carbon emission follow a pattern between 2 and 3. Maximum profit is recorded for Y 0.1 and between pattern 1 and 2. Conclusion, this study presents a single item stochastic model for determining the optimal selling price, preservation cost, green investment, uh, and planning horizon for supplier selling product with different carbon emission patterns. The model considers price, stock, and emission dependent factor with the rate of emission being probabilistic and following a uniform triangular or beta distribution. The deterioration of the product is dependent on the carbon emission pattern and preservation cost to maximize profit. The results show that the global optimum array converges and the sequence of improvement is convergent. The model can be extended to include trade credit period, dependent demand, time dependent deterioration, and multi-item supplier. And my opinion on this journal, that this journal is good and it helps us to know how supplier can effectively reduce carbon emission while maximizing profit by optimizing inventory and supply chain operation. And then investing in green technologies and utilizing low emission materials, adopting strategic pricing policies and conducting regular emission assessment. Besides that, these strategies are crucial for achieving sustainable operation and maintaining a competitive edge in the market. The journal also highlight incorporating environmental consideration into inventory management practice, not only align with sustainability targets, but also enhance profitability through strategic decision making based on emission, demand pattern, and technological investment. This holistic approach can create a competitive advantage in the growing market for green products. I guess that's all that I can say. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.